so loud. Sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice. Give you everything that's nice.
Hello everyone. Today I am off to brunch with Sophie and Yuyan. Sophie is in town, so we're getting brunch in Williamsburg. And it's so hot in the subway. I'm sweating. I have like a mustache sweat. You see that? Just made it to Williamsburg and I'm sweating. I thought it was gonna be slightly chillier today, so I wore this like light knit top, which is kind of stupid on my part. And from the eye down, it's all sweat trapped under my clothes. Everyone in Williamsburg is so active. Everyone looks like they're going to a workout class. I am going to a workout class after though. I'm definitely a more savory person than I am a sweet person. So when I am craving things like this, it means the hormones are doing its thing right now. This is so good. This is my first time eating it. I'm gonna eat another one. And then later today we have couples therapy. There's a new drama called Love Next Door, so I'm gonna give it a go. Are you hungry? You want some food? I look a little crazy, but we're going to start our next session of couples therapy.
Thank you.
Hello.
I don't know, I feel like everything in life happens for a reason. Like all those hardships and stuff that happen in life. I thought all of it kind of like washed away after I met Michelle. Like she was placed in my life, and ever since that moment, everything has been good.
You made me cry.
I guess I thought I was a happy person before and that life was good overall, even though difficult times can happen, but ever since meeting her, I felt like there's a whole new level to life and like the enjoyment and fulfillment you can feel. All of my other individual relationships have been bettered by Michelle. Like it's like my relationship with my parents, with my brothers, with my friends. Everything has been at its best because Michelle has been present, and you know, she just brought a nice calmness and stillness to my life. The dogs.
Hi, Dobby. Hi, Rue. And there's not much to eat besides like a bunch of condiments. I'm gonna see what I can whip up right now because I'm weak. I'm starving. Oh, the lamyon is staring at me. I should eat this. It's expired. So, it's a little expired, but I mean, it's already unhealthy to begin with, so whatever. Sorry, the sprinklers are on outside. There's definitely a kick to it, but it's not as spicy as like 불닭볶음면. It's really good. camera died and it was getting too hot outside. So Rue and Dobby are huge food lovers and we're so excited to show you guys the food that they're eating. And they're eating the Farmer's Dog. Big thank you to the Farmer's Dog for sponsoring this portion of the video. So the Farmer's Dog is real, fresh, healthy food made from whole meat and veggies. And this is what their personalized food packs look like. It's pre-portioned for both Dobby and Rue based on their personal needs, and it's ready to serve. It's convenient and it's developed by board certified nutritionists. It's highly digestible. So they're so excited about their food. Let's head on to the kitchen. Yum. So this is their dinner. Sit. Stay. Okay. Feeding my dogs high quality food is so important to their overall health. You can get 50% off your first box of fresh, healthy food using my link. Plus, you get free shipping. Today I'm about to go get my hair done. My roots are, is it a bald spot? Oh, and I'm also getting my nails done, so it's gonna be a full glam day. I am in East Village right now, but I'm meeting up with Nicole and James because we're all getting our hairs done. I am getting breakfast before my hair and nail appointment today. I really wanted to check out this bagel spot called Apollo Bagels, but I hear that it's so popular that the line goes crazy and sometimes it might be sold out. Oh my gosh, hi! Yes. Just did like a... Oh my gosh, seriously? Hi, nice to meet you. Thank you, bye. That's so cool. I did a thing with Adopt a Pet and I just met someone who worked for them. That's awesome. There's a high chance that the bagels are going to be sold out or the line's going to be too crazy, and in that case, I'm just going to go get pho. Pho never fails. This line is insane. I'm not standing in that line. Sorry guys. I'm actually more excited about the pho than the bagels. The bagels. Blair Sauceman was actually laughing at the way I say bagels. Bagels? Bagels. Bagels. Oh, how do you live? Matching.
Hang out with Master Marika. With the roasted walnut.
Oh my god. Wow. This comes with the pho?
Comes with the house special.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Delicious. The broth is so flavorful. Yeah. These are so cute. Ooh, they're so cute. We are at we're having a pamper day. We're gonna see our girl Marika. Oh,
Calling now.
I hear Mariko's voice. Marika! What?
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met.
Like this car, I mean like
Oh, well,
yeah, right? Yeah, so
Don't wanna spend a minute without you here. And I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
thank you.
And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm
just finished eating dinner. Now we're headed off to a bar. It's a Japanese whiskey vinyl bar. Looked really vibey. I just came back from the grocery store and I'm going to attempt to make my own side dishes, my own panchan, because panchan is looking a little pricey these days and I feel like I should just learn how to make my own.